Today is 11/7, 11-7, and our title is Rolling Robot. Rolling Robot. Okay, let's go ahead and get our book opened up here. Alright, looks like I need some more space. I'm on to a new page. Please don't forget, divide your sketchbook into 4 sections by dividing your paper vertically and horizontally. Giant plus in the middle of the paper, and that would help save on space here. Okay, so 11/7 is your date. Make sure you put that in the top, and let's get started. We're going to start with just a simple circle towards the top of your box. Okay, no big deal, just a little circle. And off of that circle, we're going to bring 2 lines straight down, just a little bit. Okay, make sure those are equal. I didn't, so I got to fix that. There we go. And at the bottom, I want you to connect that with a curved line, just like that. Okay? Now, we're going to add the eyepiece to this robot, which what we're going to do right in the middle of this circle here, we're going to put a small circle, and I want you to make an angle like this. Okay, it's kind of like a greater than sign, and you're going to bring it out longer than this part of the circle, and once you get to this point, you're just going to connect it like that. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Pretty easy. Okay, go ahead and erase this line in the middle, and then I want you to make a foreshortened circle in here, which just basically means it's a squashed oval like this. And you're going to put a little lip right in there like that. Okay, so at this point, you've got the front of the head, and the eyepiece. Okay, so we've got that. Let's make the rest of the body. Outside of the neck, I want you to make 2 dots, just like that. Okay, real close. And once you've made those dots, curve those just like the neck, and then bring it back behind the neck like that. Okay, so it's kind of like a little collar. Bring the side down on the left and the right, and then curve that at the bottom as well. Erase those dots. If you can still see those, get rid of those, and then fix what you need to fix. Okay, so there you go. There's that. Let's create some wheels on this guy since he's a rolling robot. I'm going to come down right from the middle of here and make a dot. Then I'm going to bring an angle back like this and like this, like clock hands. Don't do that dark. This is just a guideline to help you. From that guideline, right in the middle, make a curve from the bottom. There's one wheel. Okay. I want you to line up the other wheel on the back of this line. So just make it round like this. Leave that there. And you're going to attach one more right here. And it should line up on this line. Okay, so we have all the wheels we need. Let's go ahead and erase that line now. Okay. Okay, so basically all these simple parts are starting to come together to make this robot. To make this wheel look more 3D, you're going to come over a little bit, maybe right to about here. You're going to curve it and then bring it down into the bottom of the wheel. Just like that. Same thing back here. Bring it out, curve it into the bottom of the wheel. One more time. Bring it out and curve it into the bottom of the wheel. Just like that. Okay. Now we need to attach this back wheel to his body. So I'm going to put a little circle there, and I'm just going to make a diagonal line with another little circle that's just reaching up right into the back of that. Erase what you don't need. I gotta erase a little bit of that because I don't want to see that wheel coming in front of that. So I've got that. Okay. Now we just need some arms and some shading. We'll be about done. Okay. So to do the arm, you're gonna put a circle here, foreshortened circle rather, so it's like an oval, and a curve. And then just snake an arm out there. You can just curve it. And the fingers, you can do however you want to do. Doesn't matter. You can make it real cartoony. That's fine. This is just a robot anyways, so You can make the hands however you want. If you want to make like a pincher hand, that's fine too. Bring out the other hand. Okay, maybe he's reaching for something, he's going towards something. That's kind of what it looks like to me. Let's add some shading inside this hole here, where his arm is coming out, just a little bit. And I'm also going to add some solid shading right up here where this eyepiece is. Okay. So let's add a few details and then we'll be done. Oops. Fix that. A little bit more shading, sorry, right here, here, and here. Almost forgot that, okay? Now comes our details, okay? Horizon line in the back for sure. He's got to be rolling on something. And we need some speed lines. Let's just say he's going quick. Okay, he's going fast. He's moving. And let's give him a little antenna on top. Just to top it off. Okay. I'm going to add just a little bit more shading down the left. Just a little bit. Maybe a little on the head. Okay, anything to kind of pop this out a little bit more. Looks pretty good to me. Okay, so let's go ahead and call it right there. I'd like you to make one of these today. Please make sure you add all the parts that are asked for. I want you to make sure that you erase any lines or marks or dots that you don't need. Be sure to add all of your shading, particularly the solid shading here and then on the wheels, and then some down the right side of the body here. Don't forget your details like the horizon line, the speed line, and his antenna. And that'll do it for today.